Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways to make Snapchat group chat. So group chat lets you up to 200 friends stay in touch and share the moment together. To start a group chat, all you have to do is update your application and log in into your Snapchat account. Once logged in, tap the chat icon from the bottom left hand side and click on the search bar, and then click on the blue circle icon located in the bottom right hand side corner. In order to create a group, first of all tap on new group and make sure to give a name to your group as well. And once you've done that, you need to add members to whom you actually want to add it on your group. You can only add the contact that's on your friend list. Apart from that, you'll not be able to add them on your group. So go ahead and select the contact. You can also type in the name and click on chat with group. As soon as you click on chat with groups, it's going to take you to the other interface where it's going to show you that the group has been successfully created, and in this way you can create or make group chat on Snapchat. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.